Every predictable result starts with a predictable workflow. Here's how Forma Immediate takes you from planning to provisional in just one day. It's 3 simple steps: plan, design, print and place. Step 1. Plan. You begin by sending us the intraoral scan and CBCT data. Add optional photogrammetry scan, face scan, or jaw tracking records. Choose the path that fits your clinic the best. Design only, design and print, or stackable guides. Select your preferred approach to immediate loading for your implant case. So before your surgery day, you already have a surgical guide and a tentative design of the immediate loading prosthesis. Our experts build a default virtual case plan without the implant positions, propose temporary prosthesis design, and a guided surgery strategy keeping risk factors in mind. Everything's approved in a structured, step-by-step digital order platform. No loose ends, no surprises on the day of surgery. Step 2. Design. Hope your surgery went well. Now it's time to circle back to designing again. We craft the design file using your implant scan data with intraoral photogrammetry or the horizontal scan flags in position. It's basically adding implant positions to your approved design plan. We prepare your restoration CAD file for a direct-to-multi-unit, no tie-base implant bridge for a cleaner, cement-free provisional. All this within 1 to 2 hours. Step 3. Print and place. Here's how we work depending on your workflow. First option, design only, where you design with us and print in practice in your clinic. Second option, design and print. We design and print the temporary bridge in our lab and deliver it to you in a day. And we have a third option for you. You can also choose the stackable guides, where you can master a fully guided implant surgery and convert the surgical guide into a temporary bridge chairside. So you get hands-on control in your implant case. And here's the best part. Today's immediate is tomorrow's prototype. All the case data is retained, and this immediate temporary bridge acts like your try-and bridge. So your definitive prosthesis lands faster with fewer adjustments. Ready to start your next case with confidence?